17 Fascinating Facts About Horses. Horses are such fascinating creatures. Even if you never learn to ride one, you could spend your whole life studying them and still have plenty to explore. Here are 15 interesting facts about horses. But before going ahead, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos. 1. Horses sleep standing up. Yes, horses do sleep standing up. They sleep laying down too, but only for short times. The sleeping habits of horses are quite different than humans. Most human sleep is usually a long, single stretch, about 8 hours in a 24-hour day. Horses doze for various periods during the day and have short bouts of deep sleep lying down in the middle of the night. Horses' sleeping patterns change depending on their age. 2. Horses can't burp. That's right. Horses can't burp, at least not the way humans do. They can't vomit or breathe through their mouths like humans do either. A horse's digestive system is a one-way street, unlike cattle and other ruminants who regurgitate food to re-chew it. Although they have a pretty efficient way of processing the tough fibrous foods that make up their forage, this long, one-directional system can cause problems that result in colic. 3. You can estimate a horse's age by its teeth. While you can't tell the exact age of a horse by its teeth, you can estimate its age. Horses need proper equine dental care for their teeth, but sometimes a horse lives longer than its teeth do, so extra care is needed when feeding senior horses. 4. Horses can live to be more than 30 years old. One of the most common questions about horses is, how long does a horse live? The answer may surprise you. Knowledge of horse nutrition, horse care, and veterinary medicine has increased. Because of this, just as human life expectancy has increased, so has equine longevity. 5. The American Quarter Horse is the world's most popular breed. The American Quarter Horse is one of North America's most popular and oldest horse breeds. The breed's popularity stems from its many positive attributes, including its gentle nature, versatility, beauty, speed, agility, and loyalty. Quarter horses are suitable for all levels of riders and owners, as they tend to be friendly with people and easy to train. They've been used as racehorses, as well as working ranch horses and family pets. They have a sturdy build and come in many colors. Sorrel brownish red is the most common. 6. Arabian horses have one less vertebrae than other breeds. The Arabian horse is the foundation of many other light horse breeds. They also possess some unique characteristics. Arabian horses have one fewer vertebrae, rib and tailbone than other horses. 7. Horses are herbivores. Humans are omnivores, lions are carnivores, and horses are herbivores. The way their teeth are formed, the position of their eyes, and the type of digestive system are all typical characteristics of herbivores. 8. Horses are herd animals. Horses in the wild live in small herds, and domestic horses feel more comfortable if they have companions too. It can be quite stressful for a horse to live alone. To keep your horse happy, it will need a friend. 9. Horses were domesticated by humans more than 3,000 years ago. Dogs may have become domesticated around 14,000 years ago. Cats became human companions about 8,500 years ago. Humankind's relationship with the horse began a little more recently, about 3,500 BC, although some evidence has come to light that horses may have been domesticated even earlier. 10. Horses are measured in hands. The standard measurement for determining the height of a horse is called a hand. A pony is an equine under 14.2 hands. The only equines not measured in hands are miniature horses that are measured in inches or centimeters. 11. Most white horses are actually gray. Most of the white horses that you see were actually a much darker color at birth and gradually turn white. These white horses may start as bay, chestnut, or almost black. These horses aren't called white, but gray. 12. A horse's resting respiratory rate is about 4 breaths per minute. It's important to know the resting pulse and respiration rate of your horse. While the resting respiration rate of a horse can be as low as 4 breaths per minute, that can quickly increase with work or distress. 13. Horses are not native to North America. Every horse on the North American continent is a descendant of European horses. Even the horses that we regard as wild are actually feral horses, whose ancestors escaped from captivity. Horses disappeared from the Americas more than 8,000 years ago, and there is ample fossil evidence that the horse's ancestors lived here previous to that. 14. A baby horse is called a foal. What is the difference between a filly, colt, and foal? It all depends on gender and age. Generally, a foal is a baby horse. After it is weaned from its dam, it is called a weanling. But, horses remain fillies or colts until they are 2 years of age. 15. The original horse was the size of a golden retriever. The original horse was no larger than a golden retriever. Diminutive Hyracotherium may have looked more like a small goat or deer than a modern-day horse. Hyracotherium lived during the Eocene epoch about 50 million years ago. 16. Horses can see 2 different scenes independently. Horses have exceptionally large eyes, some of the largest eyes of any mammal, and the prominent placement of the eyes on the sides of a horse's face results in vision that is known as monocular. Humans have binocular vision, meaning that the eyes work together to view the same scene. With monocular vision, horses see 2 different scenes independently. 17. Horses are incredibly intelligent. This probably comes as no surprise, but horses are incredibly intelligent. In fact, studies have shown that horses understand variances in human facial expressions, are capable of indicating preferences, and can exhibit at least some degree of empathy. If you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And stay with us for more updates. Thanks for watching.